Okay, welcome to Investor Series, where we are going to talk about
market update,
ways to grow your wealth
and how the benefits from investment.
welcome back to our weekly update. My name is Shahid.
And my name is Fairuzee. So we are going to share with you what is happening in the market, so that you as an investor, you will not be afraid and you will know what to do if things happen. So Shahid, we are going to look at our benchmark, I would say fund, or not fund lah, index, right?
Index.
So what is happening to S&P 500?
Okay, so with whatever that is happening now, I mean the current situation is still the same as the last few weeks. So the S&P 500 now has fallen to 6,343 points. So this is, I think, the third or fourth week decline in the S&P 500.
And if you look at it, right, it is even lower than 6 months ago. So this goes to show that this is a good opportunity. It's as though that we are going back 6 months before. So that, you know, the price of, example, 6 months ago, it is maybe, I would say $5, right? Now it's down by 5%.
Yes.
This is actually a discount. Good to go in.
Good to
but
enter.
Of course, we want to know, Shahid, why is it declining?
So it's declining because of the, because of the situation that's happening now. Okay. So basically, because what we already know, the Strait of Hormuz is blocked. So that rose the price of oil. Okay. So since oil prices are hiked, and that affected the overall market.
The market and also the prices overall.
Yes.
Even we as consumers, we feel the increase in prices, especially the oil price or the petrol price. So this brings, I would say, pessimism, right, to the people and the market. And hence, the market actually is what we can say a projection of what may happen in the next year or next 6 months. So if it continues to go this way, then the market projecting that it is not going to go well. That's why now the market go down, because people are pessimistic of the future. Right. But Shahid, will it go like this? Continue to be like this war, is it going to continue or not? What do you think?
So not necessarily, because if we look at the news, there's a recent statement from Trump. So he said that he's willing to stop the war, even though the Strait of Hormuz is still blocked. Okay. So this statement, I believe, would give some positive feedback or effect to the investors. Okay. And this may, we won't say that it's confirmed, but it may boost or maybe push the market slightly upward.
So this is the part where, if we can say that when Trump say the war stop and Iran accept that proposal, even though the Strait of Hormuz is closed, then the 6 month or 1 year outlook changed already. That's why it goes up, right? So this is where we cannot be panic. We have to monitor the situation well, right? So now going back to the US. So now it's up to the US. Now US wants, or Trump wants, to stop the war, and hopefully, they manage to do it, and they manage to convince Iran to stop the war lah. And of course, they have to stop escalating things lah. And now about US, right? So basically, Jerome Powell, right, the chair of the federal, because of the war, we are distracted, right? So he actually said that the US debt is too much. It's not sustainable, right? So this is the part where it is also a concern, for people investing in US companies, which is what we are looking at, which is S&P 500, 500 top companies in US, right? So this,
So since this is the case, they have issue with that probably are not sustainable for America, right? So what is the possible step that they will take?
They will do what all other governments who have been in this situation will do, which is to debase their currency.
What exactly?
So debase their currency, basically they make their currency the value of it goes lower. So they can do it with few things. They print more money. Okay, they make the price go higher. So basically the value of their currency goes down lah. People may say that, this means that America will not be good and everything, but actually there's an effect to it, because if US dollar is down, then people may want to invest more. So this is where we cannot say that the dollar goes down, then the US companies will go down. It doesn't necessarily goes that way. And reason why they want to debase the currency, one of it is because of there's too much debt, so they want to decrease the burden of the debt. Secondly, for crisis and war. Seems like
isn't that what's currently happening?
Suiting their setting lah and their situation lah. So basically, it may debase their currency. And what effect can it have on us investors is that gold might go up lah. Because of this, debasing of currencies lah. Because when you say that the other things, the value goes down, but gold will definitely go up back, because it's scarce and people will definitely buy it. Will buy it. So this is the part where we need to understand what is happening lah in the US, and also about the war itself. So the most important thing, we have to know that the war is not permanent, right? And there's always opportunity. And now I think the most important thing is there's an opportunity in the market right now. Even tech goes down, right?
Yes, tech goes
Microsoft goes down. Certain tech ETF goes down. Certain unit trust in tech goes down. So you know what to do. In investors, we have been saying that this is like a discount.
So, when you see rate on the chart, it's hard to not feel you're scared, you're worried. But if you look from the other point of view, that's essentially, like you mentioned, it's a discount. It's a good opportunity for us to enter.
Yes.
But of course, enter it with strategy.
With strategy, with due diligence. And if you want to know more of the strategy, you can contact Shahid, or you can contact me, or you can contact Estelle. Right? So we have the experience lah. You're in 7 years, right?
My 7 years.
I'm 6 years in. So we have the experience and we have the results. So you can just contact us if you want to know more. Right? I think that's all for this week. Hopefully next week we'll do better. The market will do better. But if it's not, then it's a longer discount.
And we will still update.
Yes. Okay. So see you next week. Bye-bye.
Bye.